everyone, Lekhana here and welcome to day 6 of Inktober. Today I'm illustrating Kulfi, which is an Indian ice cream. I followed a recipe from Simple and Unique Kitchen. Even though the recipe is in Hindi, it is quite easy to follow. I've added the link for the recipe in the description box if you want to give it a try. If there is a recipe you would like me to illustrate, then let me know in the comments and I will try my best to illustrate it in the next few weeks. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy the video. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.